moisturizing this classic two-stroke ripper. Little 80cc MX engine.
Fall asleep.
The boys ain't going after that speed missile.
This thing's a little ripper. 6-speed, air-cooled, thick KX80 in a street road racer package. That's what you have. Rides like new, runs like new. Total time capsule. Guys, check out this absolutely stunning Kawasaki AR80. Super rare to find intact these days because they were primarily marketed to a younger audience who would just run the wheels off of these things, sometimes as primary transportation. So to find one in this kind of condition with 2,200 miles on it, looking like it just rolled out of the showroom, just doesn't happen. How does it happen? Well, there was a collector in the Midwest who had a collection of 40. If you follow the channel, we bought 40 classic small bores off of him. The biggest bike he had was two RD400s. We bought both of those, but most of his bikes were in the 50 to 200 cc range. And this AR80 was one of the cool pieces that he tucked aside in a storage facility for, well, decades. And he passed away and the bikes were put up for sale. So this one runs like brand new, looks like brand new. It's a 6-speed, air-cooled, oil-injected little rocket ship with a downpipe on it. They called it the Mini Ninja overseas. Here in the States, we called it the AR80. They also called it the Mini Magnum in other markets. It came with a Unitrack suspension, gold mag wheels with the cool polished aluminum lip on it, the swoopy tailpiece. Some of them came with a quarter fairing on there. There was a little quarter fairing. You could put one on there and make it look like a little cafe racer. This bike has original paint on the tank. The side panels and rear tailpiece and upholstery is all original on it. All the cycle parts are original on it, except for the front fender. The original front fender was damaged in shipping. There was a chunk taken out of it, so we found this one on eBay. So check out the tires. We went right through it. It's got brand new tires on it, front and rear. The brakes have been gone through. The engine's been completely rebuilt. We took it right down, sent the cylinder out to Millennium with the new piston, and had to match it to the piston and plate it. It's a CDI ignition, so there's no points to adjust. It's oil injected. It's got a new base gasket, new head gasket, new piston and rings, new cylinder plating, new piston, new spark plug. Car's been rebuilt, new air filter, brand new battery. It's been gone through. All the lights work great. And I'm 220 pounds and it hauls ass. If you ever ridden a two-stroke 80 motocross bike, this is basically what that is, but with street lights on it. Totally street legal, turn signals, headlight, horn, and it even has passenger pegs on it if you wanted to ride a passenger on here. It was completely gone through by Andrew, top to bottom, front to back. He did put a new gold chain on it, went through the brake system, went through the electronics, completely rebuilt the engine, gave it a clean bill of health. Then it went down to the detail shop where it was gone through a steam clean, hand washed. The original factory paint was buffed and there was a couple of nicks in it, so it was touched up in a few different spots. But that's the original factory paint. You can see there's a touch up here and here, a couple spots there, a little bit at the bottom here. But the side plates, that's the original side plates, original tailpiece, just beautifully preserved, original saddle. The pegs are in mint shape, indicating the bike's never been down. There's no road rash anywhere on the side of either side. No evidence it's ever been crashed. Everything's nice and straight on it. The fork lowers were sanded and painted. The rims were vapor blasted, and then the lip here was sanded and polished aluminum. Brake system was cleaned up. The brake Caliper was cleaned, sanded, and repainted, refinished. The engine case covers, that's the original engine case covers. The exhaust was removed, cleaned, painted. The shifter was painted. The kickstand was painted. The rails for the pegs here were painted. And the bike was just given what we call a full rotisserie detail. It's immaculate from top to bottom, front to back. So, of course, new engine oil, new injection oil, and you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer one with lower miles. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. These little minis like this are highly collectible and very hard to find. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.